In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payhip with Stripe to receive payments. If you're selling digital products, memberships, coaching, or any other type of offer through Payhip, connecting Stripe is an important step because it allows you to securely accept card payments from your customers. The setup is straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your Payhip account to get that connection started. First, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage your store, products, and account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one store. From the dashboard, click on Account. This area contains your broader account options and is where you'll find the settings related to how your store operates. If you're new to Payhip, this is a useful section to become familiar with because many of your store level preferences are managed from here. Next, click on Settings. This will open the part of Payhip where you can control important details related to your store configuration, including payment setup. Moving into Settings is the key step that brings you closer to the payment connection options. Once you're inside Settings, click on Payment Details. This section is specifically where Payhip lets you manage how you get paid. It's where you can review available payment providers and connect the services needed to process transactions from your customers. In the Payment Details section, find Stripe and click Connect. This begins the linking process between your Payhip account and your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, you'll typically be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. If you don't already have one, Stripe may guide you through creating an account before completing the setup. As you go through that connection process, make sure the business information you enter is accurate, since payment providers usually require correct details for verification and payout purposes. It's also a good idea to double check that the region and currency settings match your business needs, if those options appear during setup. Once the connection is complete, your Payhip store will be set up to receive payments through Stripe. That means you'll be much closer to taking live orders and getting paid smoothly. And that's it. You've now seen how to connect Payhip with Stripe to receive payments. After this, you can return to your store settings and verify that the connection shows as active, so you know everything is ready to go.